Yeah, I miss you, but I got no time for that. Damn, leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, but you dumb as fuck. Running out the bus, damn. Leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, but you dumb as fuck.
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm doing a get ready with me on this look right here. It's super intergalactic galaxy. I'm literally obsessed with it. I'm going to Rolling Loud today. I'm legit way too excited, and the girls I'm going with are already downstairs, so I have to hurry this up. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know how you like it. I'm gonna be chit-chatting throughout, showing you guys how I got this look. Also, be sure to comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It was such a fun time around here. You will not regret sticking around. I'm so excited! But without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Y'all, so I am so excited. We are starting this chit chat get ready with me off a little hyper. Not only because Rolling Loud, but it's been quite a few weeks since I sat down and filmed a video. I've been so crazy hectic with finals. First of all, these braids. A shout out to Braids by Canon on Instagram. I will link her on the screen. She's a little up north from LA, but she's so worth it. Like, look, like what? I'm living. I went extra long for Rolling Loud, and I'm just so excited. So we're gonna get started. Today I'm wearing this super purple blue reflective two-piece. Got my wristband on. This is it, like our week hitting. We got the back. I may or may not keep the top unzipped. We will see, but for now, I'm just gonna zip that up. But yeah, so my inspiration, also my nails are my Christmas nails, nailed by Nat_ on Instagram. My freaking girl. I'm gonna get my birthday nails done really soon, so I'm really excited. But today, I'm kind of leaning towards the Aurora palette, and I just want like super reflective inner corner, super reflective brow bone, winged liner, and then like smoked out shadow. And then I don't know if I'm going to do colored highlight just yet, just because I don't want it to be too much. But I have like a little over an hour to get ready, so I'm just going to get ready while I talk with you guys. I'm so excited finals are over. This Rolling Loud festival is kind of like my finals are over celebration, as well as my birthday celebration. My birthday is the 23rd. I actually have balloons over there. I just did a shoot for it yesterday. So yeah, I'm more than ecstatic. I'm gonna start with my brows right now. So a little background on Rolling Loud. It is a hip hop festival. They have a Miami show, they have Los Angeles, they did Bay Area. So last year I really wanted to go, except I flew home like a few days before it, so I was so upset. So I knew from the moment last year when I couldn't go, I knew I was gonna come this year. When the lineup came out, I was like, okay, yes, I'm definitely going. The lineup is so good. Today, I'm so excited. I'm going a little later today. I think it started at 12 or 1, I don't know, one of those. But, you know, there was like the little small fine print artist going first. But I'm going to be there to see Sheck West at 6. Then Shoreline Mafia, I freaking love them. I know a lot of people don't know about them, and also Blueface, because they are LA based rappers, and Shoreline's a rap group. But literally I'm so obsessed with the both of them. So I'm gonna see Shoreline today, Blueface tomorrow. I'm gonna be there bright and early just for Blueface tomorrow. Bright and early, aka 2 p.m. So yeah, then Lil Baby and Gunna are doing a back-to-back set today, which I'm going to scream. Then there's gonna be, if I could find my eyebrow brush, why can't I find anything? Then today is Lil Wayne and Post Malone. The only problem is there's like 2 stages, and I'm gonna be bouncing back to back from stage to stage to see artists. And that really sucks because I don't know who I'm gonna choose. I've always loved Lil Wayne, but I don't know. I feel like I might want to see Post Malone a little bit more than Lil Wayne. But tomorrow's the pickle. It's like Lil Uzi and Cardi, Playboy Cardi at one stage, and then like Tyga. And it's just a mess. I'll insert both of the set times and the stages here on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because your girl's in a pickle. Guess I'm carving out my brows with my finger today. Okay, here it is, finally. So yeah, but I'm excited. I'm gonna make it work anyway. I've never been more excited for a festival. I mean, besides Coachella. But like Coachella, I only went that one day, and it was so spontaneous. So like I'm probably doing Coachella next year, and obviously that's gonna be freaking amazing. But like, if you guys watch me a lot, you should know hip hop is my forte. Like, I freaking love hip hop so much, and to have so many of my favorites performing, like, I'm just gonna be living. Like, I'm actually going to be screaming, jumping, all of it. I'll probably insert videos of me and like the festival here when I'm editing.
Oh shit! Bitch! Just west side, getting really, really up, but it ain't no major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater.
Actually, funny story. So I've been trying to convince Kiara to come because for the longest time I was pretty much like going alone. Like, I did not know who I was going with, and now like I knew like a few girls going, so I was like, okay, lit. But I was trying to convince Kiara for the longest time because you guys know Kiara's my best friend, and she just was like, like, yeah, that sounds fun. But today she was like, I'm so bored, and I was like, I wish you were going. Like, seriously, what the actual heck? So my friend was selling a ticket, but it was already sold, so we were like, crap. And I was like, like one of those like, oh well, I guess next year, like, this sucks. So then my friend was like, but check OfferUp because they're selling like a lot of cheap tickets. So she did, and then she was like tweeting, and she literally found a ticket literally the day of. Literally, she has to be here in like 2 hours. But I'm so excited. Like, obviously I wanted to experience it with my best friend, and like when stuff happens I want her to be there to see it. I don't want to have to like freaking tell her about it. So yeah, it's about to be so lit, guys. I like begged all my friends to come. No one wanted to come, but now I got my girl last minute. I was like, I always have to ask you when you're bored, huh? And we were just laughing. But yeah, I am so excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. I don't know when they announced the dates, but it's been a while. Like, I have just been patiently waiting for this year to end, and this is gonna like end the year off with a bang. I'm not doing anything super big for my birthday. Like, all I wanted was to be able to spend it in LA. So I'm probably just gonna do like dinner in the club, like nothing special, nothing like out of the ordinary. This is like my final celebration. This is like everything. I am so beyond excited, and I've always wanted to go to a festival like this. Also, I'm gonna go to Travis Scott Astroworld with one of my friends from school, and I'm so excited for that too. I'll probably do a get ready with me that day as well. But dude, like, this is a bang for the end of the year, and let me just say, December has been the best month. I'm gonna do a whole new year, or not new year, yearly reflection, 2018 reflection. I did one last year, and it was kind of more like emotional because last year was like the worst, one of the worst years of my life. I'm just adding like shadow just to darken it up. I don't want like too dark of shadow, but I don't want nothing on my lids, so yeah. But anyway, so I'm gonna do a yearly reflection this year, mainly like just to have for myself, and like obviously like share with you guys. but also because I want people to be able to see my progress and see that I had like the worst year of my life last year, and now I'm literally thriving. And I don't say that lightly, like I have never been happier. So I'm literally so excited for that. I'm gonna talk about it more in that video and like more about my progress. I also want to do a chit chat get ready with me, like talking about depression and body image, because I like had a little realization a few months ago regarding that, so I'm super excited about that as well. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, just had a lot of revelations. I know what I'm gonna do under the brow. Glitter under the brow. I'm going extra, guys. And I know I'm going extra for this festival too. It's not like Coachella where like people dress up a lot, but I was like, how could I not, you know? Like, let's be real here. You guys know me. Could Adyel ever show up basic anywhere? Probably not. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to that later. I'm gonna start on my wings liner first. I'm just experimenting right now, guys. I'm literally winging it. But what was I gonna say? December has been the most amazing end to the most amazing year. Literally, I couldn't ask for more. A lot of full circle revelations have happened this month, and it just shows me God is real. The universe always brings back karma. Definitely gotten my good karma this year and watched people get bad karma. And yeah, I just feel very fulfilled and happy. And yeah, I'm just excited. I'm about to turn 20 years old, a new decade. And I'm starting it off truly the best way possible. I'm glad I pretty much learned like my major life lessons and had the most of my growth at 19, my last teenage year. So now that I have my liner on, I know I look crazy right now. I'm gonna start gluing my lashes. I'm gonna actually look and see if I have purple and blue liner. One second. Yes, Too Faced, come through. So first, while my lash dries, I'm gonna work on my lower lash line. So I have my Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm going to take like these blues and purples and smoke out. Well, actually, what am I doing? I don't even have my concealer on yet. Please hold. So that's canceled. I'm literally winging this so hard right now. Lashes are popped on. Wings liner is snatched. And before playing with the rest of the eyes, I'm going to just start on the base of my face. And I'm going to be using the Benefit Porefessional Pearl Primer. This is basically Porefessional, except it gives like a luminous finish. And I used it yesterday, and I fell in love with it. I've used it before, but I don't know, I guess like it didn't really ever woo me. I used it literally once. Like, I don't think I was like paying that much attention. I love the way my brows came out today, yes. So for foundation, I'm using LA Girl Pro. This is my go-to foundation. Lately, I've also been using Fenty, but I got that shade in the summer and when I was super tan, and that oxidizes also. So I just don't want to be an orange. No, it's not that bad, but I have to blend a lot to my neck and I'm just not in the mood. For events and stuff, I just love going for my go-tos. Products that I know are gonna work and leave me looking snatched all day and night. I don't want to get too much in my hair. Like even this right now, I need to drag down to my neck. The problem is my neck does not tan ever, so I can never make that work. Okay, so I just did a super light layer of foundation. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of a lighter concealer just because I want a little more brightness. This is the one in vanilla, and I'm gonna try not to put it close. Some of it's obviously gonna get covered because I got excited and moved too fast, but it's okay. I don't know how I'm doing my makeup so fast today. Maybe I'm just so excited, but I don't know. This is honestly a record. It looks so much better when you have like your eyes done and you finally do your face. I'm ready to live my best life this weekend. So now, before I do my eyes, I'm like so excited to finish my eyes for real. Like, I'm just gonna go in with my pressed powder to set the face and just get that out of the way so that I can focus on my eyes. And for today's lip, I'm just gonna do nude just because I'm going colorful on the eyes, and I feel like nude's gonna suit it, and yeah. I don't want to go like too extra, you know? Like I could easily do purple lips with this, but okay. So I'm just gonna lay a baked tour down, a super light one, also around my nose. Yay! Okay, now I'm gonna focus on my eyes. If I can find the brushes I was just using. Okay, so I'm gonna start smoking purple. Just like so. You know, bring out that purple pop. Maybe I shouldn't have put the bronzer shade on, but whatever, you know? Also gonna mix some blue. The blue highlight is the inner corner. So I'm just gonna like fade the blue into the purple. Oh yes, freaking love. Okay, what now? So why am I losing everything today? Literally everything. So now I'm gonna go back in with my Aurora palette to enhance the inner corner and make it like super reflective. And I'm mixing the blue and the purple to create that perfect medium, because I don't want the icy blue because it doesn't really match, you know? I'm also mixing that shade Luna. So now I'm gonna use these blue and purple peel off liners by Too Faced. I don't want to put it on top of my black liner. I think I just want to accentuate my brows and like pop a little up in there. And I'm gonna do purple under the brow now. I'm gonna zoom you guys in for this because this is just everything right now. And then the blue, I'm a little nervous for this one, so I'm just gonna put it under the brow bone. Yes! That is so cool. I've never done that before. I'm also gonna put some silver in my inner corner. I'm about to be done filming and then I'll come get you guys. Ah, they're early! Here I was like, oh, I'm gonna be so early because I have been doing this fast. And then now they're early. So I'm just gonna do my mascara, just a light layer. Okay, so now I'm going to do my face, and I'm gonna speed through this just because they're already here, so I need to talk through the intro and the outro. So I'm just gonna speed do my face right now on camera. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I brought my 100K plaque back from New York. So now it's home with me, and I'm so happy about it. So for highlight, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty. I know I said I was gonna speed through this, but I just wanna talk about it. Just because this kind of has like a reflective purple, as you can see. It's not too much or anything, but I feel like it just matches Oh, okay. I feel like it just matches perfectly. OMG, I look so galaxy and I'm living for it. Like literally living. That's why I love festivals, because it's like I can play with makeup and not feel weird. Literally in love. I'm glad I did. I didn't even think about it. I'm glad I did this outfit for my Get Ready With Me, because tomorrow's outfit like is extra too, but I didn't have like super intricate makeup ideas for it. So I didn't even think about it, but good thing I filmed today. So that is it for this makeup look. As you guys know, people are waiting on me downstairs, so I gotta go. I love you all so much. I hope you guys are following me on social media to see my journey. I mean, by the time this is up, I just realized I have to fix my brow. But by the time this is up, it will be past Rolling Loud, but that's why if you're not following me on social media, definitely be sure to do so you can keep updated with my life at all times. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.